Let's get over to Payton.
Thanks, Leslie. It is just before 6:15 here. We are watching a cooler morning, temperatures in the 50s and noticeably chillier. It's very dramatic because we've been so warm the past several weeks. I mean, we've been in the 80s nearly every single day. Let me show you your 12-hour forecast. Notice we start out in the 50s. We're only getting into the mid-60s, which is below average. So a cool day ahead for us, also breezy as well. Here's what it looks like. It is 6:15. Remember, we're in daylight saving time now, so we have moved an hour of daylight from the morning and thrown it on the evening, so our mornings are going to be darker for a little bit longer, and we have about another hour before the sun comes up. So if you're getting out and about, still dark out there. Sunset is going to be after 7 p.m. And remember, our sunset gets later and later as we get closer to June. Our sunrise will also get a little bit earlier too as our overall day lengths get longer. Current temperatures ranging from 49 in Bogalusa, 45 in Macomb. Those are our chilly spots. 56 at the lake and Kenner. Covington 53, Gulfport 52, and we're in the 60s down along the coast. It is windy. We're gusting over 20 to 30 at times across the South Shore. North Shore is not as gusty anymore, but it's still a little bit of a wind up there. So jackets probably for our friends up on the North Shore. When you couple the wind with some 40s, a little bit of a bite in the air. Rainfall, we got a few showers near the coast, but really all this is exiting the area. And by the way, boy, did we have a hailstorm yesterday evening and last night going into Mississippi. Reported ping pong ball size hail over there in Mississippi. That's pretty large, and that will put some dents on your cars. So some people over there are waking up with a little bit of hail damage. Now, tonight is going to be colder. We're forecasting the 40s area wide. They even have us down to about 49 to 48 in the city. Here on the North Shore, 40 to 39. So maybe getting a little bit of patchy frost the closer you get to Macomb, Mount Herman, Franklinton, Bogalusa, A&G, those places on the far northern fringes of our viewing area could see some patchy frost. South of the lake, no frost to worry about. We're going to stay dry and cool through Wednesday, but look at the warm up and the increasing humidity, especially on Friday. That next big dip, a roller coaster ride here, that's thanks to another cold front coming in that's going to bring us some chilly temperatures for the upcoming weekend. Also, we are going to have a chance for some storms this week. This is Friday. Rain chances coming on in with this front. You can see through the daytime hours that front moves in. Widespread showers and storms seem fairly likely across the south. This would be Friday during the daytime. And then once the front pushes through, we will dry out by Friday night. Saturday, drying out, but staying rather chilly for the upcoming weekend. And I do think our highs are going to be in the 50s most of the weekend. We may briefly touch 60 degrees, but most of the weekend is going to be chillier. Put it in perspective, our average high for this time of year is up to 72, so we are below average today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We're back in the upper 70s Thursday and Friday. Then here comes the strong front for the weekend, playing on a bit of a chill as we're staying in the 50s for the most part. There's your 7-day notice. Not a lot of rain. We may see a stray shower late tomorrow, but really it is going to be nice the next couple of days. Watching for those storms on Friday, which is St. Patrick's Day, and then there is your chilly weekend. Stay right there. We're back in 15 seconds.